See, just now we discussed actually example 1 problem. So in that x value and y value we have to work out. Actually how to find out x value, you got the idea now, using angle sum property of triangle. So we got the value of x. Now, so y value, y is the exterior angle of this PSR triangle. So this exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. So that's why y is equal to 30 plus x, that is equal to y is equal to 80 degree. Yes, board is visible. Okay. So this is about the first example problem, students. Now let us work out the second example problem. Okay. So yes. So we'll continue with the example 2. Second example problem, students. Just I'll read the question once. In figure, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC. In figure, the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to points E and D respectively. Are produced to points E and D respectively. You can observe this AB is produced up to D and AC is produced up to, okay, sorry, AB is produced up to E and AC is produced up to D. So next, respectively, if the bisectors BO and CO, here bisector word is there. BO and CO are the angle bisectors of CBE and BCD. See here, BO line is a angle bisector of this CBE. This angle CBE, complete angle here, this angle is equal to this. Then this CO is angle bisector of BCD. This angle is equal to this. Okay. Then prove that. So prove that angle BOC, which is equal to 90 degree minus half of angle BAC. To prove is angle BOC. This angle BOC is equal to 90 degree minus half of angle BAC. This result we need actually. So to get this result, how to start the problem? We have to start the problem with the given data. What is given here? Given is this BO and CO are the angle bisectors. So angle bisectors. So we have to start the problem with the given data only. Okay. Board is visible. See here, shall I write from here? Yes. BO is the angle bisector of which angle? Angle bisector of BO is the angle bisector of angle CBE. Okay, angle CBE. Are you observing the angle CBE? So BO is the angle bisector of this angle CBE angle. So now it bisects in the sense it divides the angle into half part, right? So for the proof, I need this half part. I don't want this half part. Okay, I am taking this one. Angle CBO. How can I write angle CBO? Angle CBO is half of angle CBE. Right now, students, BO is the angle bisector of angle CBE. So that's why we are taking the CBO, one half part. CBO is half of angle CBE. Can I write like this, half of angle CBE? Yes. Now, angle CBO, which is equal to half of. Here I want to modify something. CBE. This is CBE. We are going to write it in a different way. How can we write this CBE in a different way? For that, I'll take the help of this line, ABE line. Are you observing this CBE line, students? CBE, which covers 1, 2, these two equal angles. And one more angle is there, Y. It forms linear pair, right? See, Y plus this one, which is equal to 180, no? So, because AB line produced up to E, so ABE forms a straight angle. ABE forms Abhiram Hegde, ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಲು ಸಾಧ್ಯವಿಲ್ಲ. What is that? What message? Is it all audible, students? Audible, no? Yes. Okay, see here. This ABE forms straight angle. Y plus these two angles, which is equal to, okay, what? forms 180 degree. So these two angles in the sun CBE. Here I'll write. So is it visible here? Here we'll work out the rough work. So rough work. What we are doing rough work? Angle CBE. So here total y plus total angle CBE which forms 180 degree. So are you observing y plus CBE is 180 degree? See here y plus this total angle CBE forms together 180 degree straight angle. Now I have to represent this one in the form of CBE. CBE is 180 minus y. Can we write CBE as 180 minus y, students? See, total this angle is 180. In that 180, so if we subtract y angle, so we'll get CBE angle, no? So we are taking this CBE as 180 degree minus y. Got the idea of this step? So therefore, angle CBO is half of 180 is 90 degree minus half of y is y by 2. Is that clear, students? So this is about angle CBO. Is that clear? This is about angle CBO. Now in the same way, we have to take this angle, that is angle BCO. Here BCD is a full angle. Here BCO is half of BCD. Now I'll take, so CO is the bisector of angle BCD. So therefore, how can we write that one? Here we'll do this one. Angle BCO which is equal to half of angle BCD. Here I am going to take this angle. I don't want this one. So in the first step I covered this angle. In the second step I am going to cover this angle. So whatever the angle present in the triangle only we are covering. So this BCO is half of total angle BCD. Now in the same method BCO is half of BCD. Again same to same procedure. Your total angle is straight angle 180 degree. In that 180 degree, if we remove Z, so can we get BCD angle? So that's why BCD we can write it as 180 degree minus Z. Is that clear? 180 degree minus Z. So therefore, angle BCO which is equal to half of 180 is 90 minus half of Z is Z by 2. So this is about the second angle in this triangle. So in the triangle BOC, I got some measurement of this CBO angle and BCO angle. So now we have to apply angle sum property for this BOC triangle. Can we take that angle sum property of triangle? Yes. In the triangle BOC, just take angle BOC plus angle CBO plus angle BCO which is equal to 180 degree. So now what step we can apply here? So we can apply BOC is unknown here. BOC, let us take BOC only. CBO you got as 90 degree minus y by 2. 90 degree minus y by 2 plus BCO you got 90 degree minus z by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Got the idea of this step, students? Yes. So Sushrita, what is that 90 degree? See here, this BOC plus CBO is 90 minus y by 2 plus BCO is 90 minus z by 2 is equal to 180. So now angle BOC plus 90 is 180 degree minus y by 2 minus z by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Up to this got the idea, no? Now plus 180 in both the side we can cancel. 180. Now this side BOC minus y by 2 minus z by 2 is there. That side house is empty, no? Can we transfer this minus y by 2 and minus z by 2 that side? Yes. Angle BOC which is equal to plus y by 2 plus z by 2. we transfer this minus y by 2 and minus z by 2 that side. We got the result angle BOC is equal to y by 2 plus z by 2. Up to this we got. Actually here we are not going to find any angle. So we are going to prove this condition. BOC is 90 degree minus half of angle BAC. We need this result. Somewhat we got actually. In the LHS part angle BOC is there. Here also angle BOC only we got. LHS part is ready. Only RHS part is pending. RHS part is pending. What we have to do with the RHS part to get 90 degree minus half of BAC, that we have to think. Okay. So can I use this side board? So if I write here, is it visible, student? Yes. So this side I'll write the proof. So now what proof we got actually? Angle BOC is equal to y by 2 plus z by 2 we got. Angle BOC is equal to y by 2 and z by 2 we got. Okay. So now angle BOC is equal to, in y by 2 and z by 2 something is common. What is that common factor? 1 by 2 is common. Remaining is y plus z. So if we take 1 by 2 common, y plus z. Again just glance the proof part. 90 degree minus 1 by 2 of BAC. So proof only 1 by 2 sig 2. So akade y plus z ide. So what we have to do with the y plus z? Y plus z ಏನು substitute ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? Just think y plus z. In place of y plus z, what we have to substitute? Y plus z. See, just observe this figure. ಈ ಫಿಗರ್ ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ABC ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ABC is a triangle. X plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Yes, x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. In a triangle ABC, x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree, because we all know that angle sum property of a triangle. What we need here? Y plus z ಬೇಕು. So then what is the value of y plus z? Y plus z is equal to 180 degree minus x. What is the value of y plus z? 180 minus x. Now what you have to do is, in place of 180 minus y plus z, we have to substitute 180 minus x. Angle BOC is half of 180 degree minus x. Angle BOC is half of 180 minus x. I think almost problem is over. So yes, BOC is half of 180 minus x in the sense BOC is half of 180 is 90 degree minus half of x. Half of x. X value is angle BAC alva. According to diagram, x is nothing but angle BAC. So this is what we have to prove. 90 degree minus half of BAC. So board is up to last step. Board is visible, students. Yes. Got the idea of this problem? See here, very simple question. Actually, see, just observe the explanation again. See, this BO is the angle bisector of this CBE angle. So that's why I took this half part, not this one. This one not necessary for our proof. That's why this one we covered. CBO is half of CBE. CBE, which can be written as 180 minus y. Okay, this is equation number 1. In the same way, here we consider this half part. That is BCO is half of angle BCD. Okay, BCO is half of angle BCD. So this BCD we can write it as 180 minus z. So next we apply angle sum property for this BOC triangle. So then BOC plus CBO plus BCO is 180 degree. So BOC only we have to take in the proof. BOC is there. Next to CBO 90 minus y by 2, then BCO 90 minus z by 2 is equal to 180. Here after the simplification, BOC is equal to y by 2 plus z by 2. Here BOC is y by 2 plus z by 2. In that 1 by 2 is common. So take the common factor outside. Y plus z is inside. then BOC is half of y plus z. We have to take the help of this triangle angle sum property. X plus y plus z is equal to 180. Therefore, y plus z is 180 minus x. Substitute that 180 minus x here. Then half of 180 is 90 minus half of x is half of x. That x is nothing but this x is nothing but total angle BAC. No? So this is about the proof of this second example problem, students. So it is in your textbook also. Detailed explanation is given. Actually, this example problem, actually each and every step is given. You can easily understand that problem. Copy that two problems, example problems. Okay. Before going to copy that two example problems, first you have to write that two theorems related to angle sum property of triangle. I'll send. Okay. So any one student will just remind me to send that last exercise and today's notes. Then homework is exercise. Third exercise is homework. Again, in the third exercise part, total 6 problems are there. First 4 to 5 problems, almost calculation, finding the missing angle using angle sum property of triangle and exterior angle of a triangle concept. First 5 problems are really easy. Last 6th one problem is to prove that, show that. That is also simple question only. So that is homework for you people. Okay, so tomorrow we'll finish this chapter lines and angles by discussing the 6 problems. Is that clear, students? Yes, take it seriously, homework part. Okay. See, notes, lines, introduction to notes, tomorrow you can finish, no? Because tomorrow we are going to finish this lines and angles topic, right? Yes. So now, today, not today, now I am checking 10th standard students notebook. After completing the 10th standard students notebook, I'll tell you. Okay. So then you have to send. 22 is very less in strength. We are discussing actually. If the same strength maintained, no, then we'll stop the online class for you people. Okay, it's not useful. So better we'll stop the online classes. Now for 22 students, it is not necessary. Better we'll send the video classes whenever we have free time. We can do the video. So no need to come to school and all, no, for the online class. Okay, for 22 students, I think it is not necessary. What about the remaining students? For all the students, they are having the network problem? No. I think they are very busy in attending the functions and all. Okay. Yes.